Okay. Okay. And what do you think about English, Risma? Do you think it's very important nowadays to speak or to be able to understand English?
English for me, like it's important things in my life because everything when like traveling abroad or to have planning my future master degree, I using my like English for my master degree and I planning for that. So English like important for me. But actually, right now in our society, in my like my home or my friends, is kind of like not important because we're not using English for our like second language.
Okay. So,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Thank you for sharing. But do you think, like, to be able to speak in English, even if it's not in educational field, is it still important in our society?
Yeah, yeah, it's important, but it can be like our, I don't know how to say it, like plus our plus
Mhm.
to be like best candidate if we want to like apply job.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's kind of like yeah, scores plus
Mhm.
scores for us.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, right. It's a point plus for us to apply for.
Fine plus.
Yes. Correct. Okay. Thank you, Risma, for sharing. And I'll just be an introduction first about ourselves. Maybe you can introduce yourself using these three questions. Could you please answer these three questions?
Okay.
Mhm.
So let me introduce myself. My name is Karisma Sharifia. You can call me Risma. My short name is Risma, and I'm just graduate from Diponegoro University. That I study about architecture,
Mhm.
and is to be as architect because my major that I choose in uni. And right now I'm not like a worker in company, no, but right now I just freelancer
Mhm.
as architect.
Mhm.
And what is your opinion on AI journey? Opinion on AI.
Mhm.
So when I talk about AI, it's like related to my not like sometimes we make 3D modeling with AI. So it's very helpful. But for like writing something or research, it's also helpful because we can help us to write, I don't know, a research or opinion, but actually it's not based on personal because AI help us. So it's my opinion about AI technology.
Okay. So since you're an educational figure, do you think that the use of AI is actually reliable for the students to use? And since you also mentioned that your dream job is to be an architect, is it also useful or reliable to use AI? I mean, like some people think that using AI is like degradation because they thought that AI steals our creativity, so people will not be as creative as in the past because they don't think about anything. They just use AI and everything just is there. What do you think about that?
Yes, I mean like not just architecture, like other major also using AI technology to help them like to get their degree or maybe their job or etc. But in my like career, AI can help me because it's kind of like make a future, I don't know how to say it, like realistic render in architecture that are there is a picture that we have improved to make realistic. So AI can help me to make this like picture to make realistic. So AI can help me or help us.
Ah, okay, that's a good point to make. Yes, I mean, there are some disadvantages of using AI, but again, it goes back to ourselves on how to use AI, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, our meetings will be talking about technology and the future of jobs. Have you ever tried to talk about technology or future of jobs, like in any meetings?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, okay. And do you think the future of jobs will be like at least different from the jobs nowadays?
Yeah.
Maybe can
AI and sorry,
maybe can you give me examples like how will the future of jobs different from the like recent jobs?
job built like AI or
Maybe it can be like related to something like, okay, so for example, people said that in the future, the human like power will not be used anymore because technology will just take over it. So maybe in the future, labor might not exist anymore. So everything will be done by the technology. What do you think about that? Will that happen or will that not happen?
I think it will be happen because for example like AI can take over like kind of job that human right now do
Mm-hmm,
like and for example designer. So
mm-hmm,
designer actually all a designer I think some of designer
mm-hmm.
using AI to make her job like fast. I don't know how to say it,
Faster?
to make yeah faster. So not only designer using this AI to make her like job faster, but also the the position of the designer can be taken over by technology, because not only designer, I mean like uh every people who who cannot like design can design to, I don't know how to explain this. And yeah, I mean like not people in designer, not people that have designer like background can also make like design like expert, like designer expert. So I think it's true, some of like kind of job position can be taken over by technology.
Ah, okay, you made a good point. Yes. So you meant that even if like a person doesn't have a design background, they can be an expert in design because they can just use technology, right?
Yes.
Ah, okay, yeah, that's scary. I don't want that. Don't take over my job here, technology.
Me too. As architect, it's kind of scary too, because I think people that don't have background in architecture also can design her their own home. So I think, yeah, maybe architect in the future, architect this job or this position will be like take over by technology also.
Okay, are you worried?
Yeah, because like some of people, for example, for like younger, that they are think they don't need architect to build their house, because they they know like I can be I can make my own dream house, so I don't need architect. That's scary like statement uh nowadays.
True. Yeah. Let's hope technology won't take over us. Okay, thank you for that. That is very a insightful thoughts, and we have to consider that. Okay, let's watch a video, Risma, and we will discuss more questions. And then after that, we can have a vocabulary builder. So you will learn about more vocabularies that can be used, especially in this topic.
Okay.
Let's watch this video. Let me know if you cannot hear the sound. Try to share the sound. Something might take a bit of time. Oh, what just happened? Oh, okay. Sorry, Irisma, just give me a moment. Connection is not very compromising. Okay, that should work. Okay, maybe let's watch it through here. Basically, what I want to show you is Apple Vision. Have you ever heard of Apple Vision before?
No.
Okay, so I'll just show you about Apple Vision. I think you've ever heard of it. It's just that you might not be very um familiar with the thing.
Foundational to Apple Vision Pro is that you're not isolated from other people.
Can you hear the sound, Risma?
Yes, but the video. Okay, okay. Okay, that's clear.
Okay. We won't be watching like all of them. We will just cut some of the scenes on the video so that we can just have a picture of Apple Vision. Okay, let's start.
Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here. When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see your world and everything in it. Your favorite apps live right in front of you, but now they're in your space. This is Vision OS, Apple's first ever spatial operating system. It's familiar, yet groundbreaking. You navigate with your eyes. Simply tap to select, flick to scroll, and use your voice to dictate. It's like magic. Apps have dimension, react to light, and cast shadows. Even though these spatial experiences are happening inside Vision Pro, it looks, sounds, and feels like they are physically there. Foundational to Apple Vision Pro is that you're not isolated from other people. When someone else is in the room, you can see them, and they can see you.
Take care.
Because you're not limited by a display.
Okay, so that's a brief picture of Apple Vision. What do you think about the technology, Risma?
I think Apple Vision is kind of like, yeah, future things that we can not only just watch. I don't know how to say, smart watch, but it also can be like upgrading from glasses to Apple Vision. using, I don't know, AR or whatever. I don't know the like
Yeah, they are.
the word you
Mhm.
call it, but it's kind of like AR. Yeah, that's like basic using for Apple Vision, and I think it's very awesome because it can be like helpfully for us, not for me and for us, because we can like more, I don't know, effective. We can not just like grab this thing, but this Apple Vision can be very useful because we can like multitasking when we want to cooking or working. Apple Vision can help us to like, I don't know how to say it, um make our work
More effective.
like easily. I don't know how to explain this again, but it's very helpful for our multitasking job, maybe.
Ah, okay, that's nice. And I have only one question here that you can answer. What jobs are good for working online? Since you also mentioned that you are a freelancer to design, right? So do you think this kind of technology or Apple Vision will create more like work online jobs?
I think, yeah, it can be helpful to using like Apple Vision, especially on my job, like as architect, because I don't know, it's there are feature that can like build 3D models because it's main of the architectural job that we can create it 3D models design for building. So it can be like working for my job as architect.
Ah, okay, that's nice. Will you want to have that in the future?
Yes, but I think the price is like kind of expensive. Not kind of, it's expensive.
Yes,
But
it's
I don't,
amazing.
I want that one for me.
Ah, that's nice. Yes, I think everyone will want that since it will make everything easy. Because you can do multitasking, do everything at once. That sounds amazing and promising at the same time. Okay, so let's move to the vocabulary builder, Risma. By the way, have you ever taken any language courses before, especially in English?
Yes. When I'm on my junior high school.
Ah, okay. And do you also try to memorize like words?
Yes. New word.
Yeah, sometimes we also need to know more words in order to use that for our speaking or maybe listening and other skills. Okay, so here I have some vocabularies. Could you please try to read it first and then we can talk about it? Like, let's try to make sentences out of the words. Okay. Is it too small?
Yes. I can't read this.
Okay, yeah, can understand that. Um, oh, okay. What about now? Is it clearer now?
Okay, it's clear.
Okay. Could you please try to read this first? I will give you around like 3 minutes to finish reading all of this.
Which part we have to start? Like,
This part. Maybe you can try to read from here up to here, and then we will discuss that after.
okay. So I will starting. The internet has had an impact on how we communicate at work.
Okay. Maybe
Okay.
here.
Rat's new product won an award for technical innovation.
Okay. How do you read this word here?
Rat's new.
Okay. This is Ruth. So it's
Oh,
still
really?
Ruth. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And then here.
Layla is making prediction about what will happen in the new year.
Okay. Right. And then here.
The the internet has caused a revolution in the way we learn.
Okay. How do you read this word one more time?
Cause
Okay. It's cost. So you
uh,
read, can you read it one
cause
cost? Correct.
okay. Cost I don't know. It's true. Cost.
It's okay. It's like this cost.
Oh, cost.
Yes. Cost. Sorry. Like this cost.
Okay. Cost.
Yes. Can you read it one more time? The entire sentence?
Okay. The internet has caused a revolution in the way we learn.
Okay, correct. And then here.
None of us can know exactly what the future holds.
Okay, correct. Here.
His cutting edge designs have made millions of dollars.
Correct. And then here.
The car was expensive, but it will save us money in the long run.
Okay. And then here.
Higher price could be the shape of things to come.
Okay. How do you read this word here?
Price,
You have S,
price, yes, price.
prices.
Oh, prices. Okay.
Correct. Okay. And then here.
In this digital age, many people have a laptop and smartphone.
Right. And then the last one.
I really want to buy the latest model of their smartphone.
Okay. How do you read this word here?
Latest.
Okay. This is latest.
Okay.
Latest model.
Latest model.
Okay. Yes, correct. Is there any words that you usually use? Like words or phrases from here that you use?
Um. Okay. Sorry. Can you repeat your question?
Yeah. Is there any words that you usually use on this page here? Like from here up to here? Is there word that you usually use?
The sentence.
No. A word that you have
Oh,
already
word.
the meaning. Yeah. Or the phrases.
Okay. I think like if you mention about the words, most of these in this sentence are like sometimes I using um I don't know mostly.
Mostly? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know because too much in this word. But if you ask me like which word that you just heard,
Mm-hmm.
uh I can like answer your question.
Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you. So my question was which word that you usually use? And it turned out that you have already known the words, right? Now another
Yes.
question is what words are new to you?
Okay. I think it's
Or the phrases, like the blue ones, are they new to you? Are they like some of them maybe?
maybe like making predictions.
Making prediction, and then what else?
Oh, wait. The long run.
Lo-
It's in the long run.
Okay, in the long run. And then
And communicated. Communicate.
oh, this one?
Yes.
Okay. And then is there anything else from the blue ones? Cutting edge.
Oh, blue ones.
The blue
Yeah,
one.
cutting edge.
Okay.
It's maybe new for me, cutting edge.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Okay, that's it.
That's it. Okay. What about the shape of things to come?
Oh, when it's like each word actually
Mhm.
kind of using like shape or things, but the sentence, the shape of things to come, it's maybe the news for me.
The shape of things. Okay. So these are not only new vocabulary or words, but these are expressions or phrases that we can actually use in technology or about future topics. Things. Take up. And you can also find the meaning here. Is it too small for you to read, Risma? Like this part?
No. Oh, okay. No, no, it's clear.
Here? Okay. So making prediction is to say what you think might happen in the future. In Indonesian, we will have that as prediksi. So you're making prediksi for the future.
Okay, so I give the example
Yeah,
or
please.
my statement.
Yeah, please make one sentence using making predictions.
Okay, the future. For example, I don't know, kind of like using this all of the statement like you think might happen in the future or
Only making predictions. Please make one
oh,
sentence.
okay, sorry, making prediction. Okay, so last year, oh no, sorry, today I'm making prediction for my future job. My planning for my job is I want to apply to international company.
Ah, okay, that's great. That's good sentence. Okay, thank you. All right. And then now you said that in the long run is a new phrase to you. So in the long run here means eventually or after a long time. If you are still confused, in the long run mean, for example, you become a personal or influencer as an educational figure. And then in the long run, you can be like known by the public so that whenever you apply for a job, people have already known you. So in the long run is the result in the future.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay, it's clear. I try my best.
Okay. If it's not clear, please ask me questions.
All right. So, um, last year, sorry, 2 years,
Okay.
to last year. It's okay. To last year or 2 years ago.
2 years ago. To last year, you cannot say that.
Wait, 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I won uh, a most outstanding student in Indonesia. So in the long run, sometimes I like I invite by some event to be speakers. It is correct
Okay.
for in the long run.
Okay, wait. In the long run, I invite by some.
Even
Mhm.
as speakers. To
Okay.
be a speaker or as speakers? Yeah, as speakers.
As the speaker is correct. The question here, in the long run, means a result.
Yes.
Um, like a result for like yourself. Usually people will make a sentence like this. Um, I want to I want to build a company in the long run. Maybe by saving money. I want to build a company in the long run. So there should be the sentence is actually correct. It's just that 2 years ago I won the most outstanding student in Indonesia in the long run. Can maybe just rephrasing here. I gain. So it has to be something that you get for yourself. So I gained an experience by getting invited as a speaker in some events.
Okay.
Is it like does it make it clear?
Okay. Okay. I think it's clear.
Clear?
Okay. I still like confused about this meaning of in the long run
Mm, okay. So
because I think it's, like the result, but actually it's not right.
it's actually the result, but it's not very, it's more like abstract, the result.
Okay.
So it's something that you cannot really like measure or like this. Um, yeah, that might be confusing, but to me it doesn't like sound okay. Let's try to give another sentence from you for the in the long run, Risma. Let's see if it's the context.
Okay. Wait a minute. I have to think about the sentence. Um, okay. So I built a building that the building can be in the long run. Wait. Okay, so I built a building that uh, I built a green building that it can be. Oh, sorry. In the long run. Okay, wait a minute. It's hard to me. Like I built a building, so in the long run, this building can save the electrical energy.
Okay. I built a building, so in the long run,
Yeah, so in the long run,
the building,
this building can be save the electrical energy.
okay, can say electric.
Mm. Save the electrical energy.
Okay. Yes, this is correct.
Okay.
So it's more like something abstract. You haven't you haven't got it.
Yes, it's kind of like goals.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's cool.
okay.
Okay. Does it make the explanation clearer?
Okay, it's clear.
Okay, great. And then we also have communicate. Now, have you like found the meaning of communicate? Not yet?
Um, I know it before, but I don't know. You can explain to me.
Okay. So communicate is actually to talk things out. Like for example, I have a problem in this project. So I communicate with my boss to solve it together. It just means that you talk it out with your boss. To talk things out. In Indonesia, this will mean berkomunikasi. Is it clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Okay, great. Can you maybe give me another sentence using communicate?
Okay. So maybe my example sentence that uh I have I planning for my master degree, so I communicate with my professor. I want to requirement letters or wait a minute. I don't know this
Can you
word.
okay? Can you repeat it?
Okay. Okay, I planning for master degree.
Mhm.
Oh, sorry, no planning. I'm apply.
I'm applying. How do you maybe read? How do you write that?
Apply.
Oh, okay. I'm apply like this.
Okay, I'm apply for master degrees. So I communicate to my professor that I need recommendation letters.
Mhm. Recommendation letter. Okay. There are some things that can be corrected here. So apply is a verb already. Can you say apply or I apply?
Actually, is I apply, right?
Correct. Yes. You cannot say I'm applying. But if you want to use ing, like I'm applying, that's accepted. Okay.
Okay.
I apply for master degree. Okay. So I communicate. So communicate will always go together with.
Oh, with.
So I communicate with my professor that a recommendation letter. Here, communicate doesn't really fit the context because you need to have a problem, Risma, a problem that has to be solved. Because here, recommendation letter is not a problem, but it's a it's a wish that you want to get, right?
Oh, okay.
Can you give me another sentence?
Re requirement.
Requirement.
Yeah, it's the problem is we need recommendation letter to yeah to solve the requirement.
To solve the requirement. Okay, maybe we can try to change the sentence. I apply for a master degree, so I communicate with my professor. Hmm,
That I need to solve my requirement. I don't know, solved or
it's not solve, but it's fulfilled. Solve is for more problem. Maybe
oh
another,
yeah. Okay.
I communicate with my professor to um, fulfill the requirements. You can actually also use essay. So I apply for a master degree. So I communicate with my professor to okay, to help me write my essay. Because writing an essay will always be a problem for like every one of us, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Might see.
Is it okay? Is it clear?
Okay, it's clear.
Is there any question you want to ask, Charisma?
Uh, Actually, I just know the when I using this communicate, it's I mean like I need some problems because I think communicate is similar with talking.
Mhm.
I don't know what's different. I know the meaning. I don't. I mean like communicate and talking is kind of different. I think. But how about you?
Okay. So communicate and talk, they are different. So even if it's talk, I said here, talk things out, right? Talk things out is a expression, Risma. It's more like idiom. It means that to communicate a problem. Meanwhile, for communicate, you need to have a context. Even in our language, we need to have a context in using a special word, right? To talk about problems. To communicate is used when you want to solve a problem, when you want to, um, I don't know, to talk about your feelings, you can use communicate. But talk only is more general. Okay, wait a minute. Talk is more general. So you can say, I talked to my professor because I need a recommendation letter. I talk to my friends because I feel sad. So talk is more general, but communicate, you need to have a specific context.
Okay.
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 All right. Is there any question you want to ask more?
No, I haven't.
Okay, great. And then we also maybe, okay, is it, okay, are there too? Okay, now it's cutting edge. So cutting edge means extremely modern and innovative. Is it clear? Extremely modern and innovative. You can know the sentence here. His cutting edge designs have made millions of dollars. So the design is very good, it's very innovative, it's very modern. Can you give me one sentence using cutting edge?
Okay. Wait, let me think first. Cutting edge. The Tesla brand,
Mhm.
the Tesla brands is cutting edge electrical car.
Okay. The Tesla brand is a a cutting edge. What is that? Electrical car?
Yeah,
Is
no, nowadays.
nowadays. Okay. Yes, that's correct, Risma. Yep.
Okay.
Context. Great. And then the last one here, the shape of things to come. So it means that the way things are likely to develop in the future. This sentences, the example would be higher prices could be the shape of things to come. It means that like technology in the future might have higher prices, and it's definite that it will happen.
Okay.
It will likely to
Develop in the future, it's like develop the innovation or
ah depends on the context. So here,
Okay.
higher prices, it means that the things that will develop in the future is the price. It will keep increasing.
Okay. So maybe my example like uh the glass. Wait a minute. Anything to come. The glasses
Mhm.
has to become the shape of the things to come. Okay, the shape of the things to come is we have to like using this word in end of sentence, or we can be in the between on the sentence. The
Cannot,
shape of this.
mhm. It can be in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, but it cannot be in the middle of the sentence.
Okay, so the I think my example,
Mhm.
the camera glasses. I don't know. The camera glasses is the shape of things to come.
Okay, yes, you can say that. The camera
Yeah.
is the shape of things to come. This should be are,
Oh, okay. R.
because you have classes here. Okay, correct, Risma. You can also say, my design is the shape of things to come. Of things to come. My design of buildings, maybe, or office. Okay, so it
Okay.
will likely be used in the future.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay. Got it.
So that's all for the, what is it, for the vocabularies. Is there any question you want to ask?
Um. No,
Oh,
that's all clear.
okay, great. If there is no question, I would love to ask you questions then. So can you,
Okay.
okay, so can you tell me the difference between communicate and talk again?
Okay. So I think that you said earlier before that the talk is like general meaning, but the communicate is we have to like some context or problem we need to talk with others. So actually communicated is similar to talk, not similar, it's meaning talk, but there are like contexts or the problem we have to talk about with people.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Risma. Now what about cutting edge? What does it mean?
Cutting edge, like fastest innovation.
What's
I don't
that?
know. It's like the fastest solve to something that we have to develop the innovation.
Okay, it's innovative, right? Modern
Yeah,
and
yeah, innovative.
okay, correct. Now one last word, long run, in the long run.
Okay. At first, when I heard about long run, I think it's similar to sustainables. I don't know. Sustainables is actually long runs, right? I don't know. It's true or not.
Sustain
I ask you like long run and sustainable.
okay. So sustainability, you meant? Sustainability, like this? Yes, correct. Sustainability and long run is a little bit different. Sustainability is more for like business, energy, and other stuff like that. But long run can be used for ourselves, can be used for like even little small things. But sustainability is like whether a company, whether a business will be sustainable until the future. So it's a bit different.
Okay. So, in my opinion about long run is, yeah, at first I think it's same meaning like sustainability, but that I try to explain give example that long run not actually using to like maybe natural resources, but it can be using to our activity like human activity. Is it true or
Yeah,
I don't know?
you're actually correct, Risma. So, for example, I want to hit the gym because I want to build my muscles in in the long run. So it's more like a goal. You mentioned before that it's like a goal, right? It is more general than sustainability. You cannot say, I want to hit the gym because I want to sustain my muscles. It's more like too proper, and it's more like not very used in that context.
Okay,
Okay,
got
great.
it. So sustainability is using to like natural resources.
Okay,
I mean like sustainability cannot be using to human activities for the context.
okay.
So it's true or
Yes, it's true.
I
Yeah, you're correct, Risma. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, great. So it seems that you have understood all of the words, Risma. Is there any question you want to ask?
Um for me no, I have no question for this. It's clear.
Clear? Okay, great. So then we will meet again for the next meeting, and then we will discuss about grammar. Risma, are you into grammar?
Sorry? Can you repeat your question?
If there is no question, we will finish the today's meeting, and then for the next meeting, we will talk about grammar. Are you into grammar? Do you like learning about grammar?
Yeah, sure. Because I think grammar, yeah, for tenses, it's right now I like studying about tenses, so it's part of the grammar. So I love to like study about this.
Okay.
I don't know this grammar.
Yeah, okay. That's great. So we will talk more about grammar. We will also have listening and speaking activities for the next meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. Then we'll stop the sharing. Do you think the class is helpful for you, Risma?
Yes, so very helpful because it's there are some news word for me. So it's fun to me to like know about the some of vocabulary and news word.
Okay, that's nice. Is there any feedback you want to give, Risma?
Um yeah, maybe I don't have any feedback because I think all of your like you teach me it's very understandable. So there's no feedback to for me.
Okay, so far, did you enjoy the class?
Yeah, I very enjoy because it's like for me it's can be like develop my like my mind to make some example about the vocabulary that I never heard before. So it's very challenging, but it's fun. It's very fun.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you, Risma. Thank you so much. Later on, if you have any feedback, please let me know.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then. Thank you for today's meeting, Risma. I will let you have your own time again. Have a good night, and I will see you again for the next meeting. We can always stay in touch to arrange the schedule.
Okay. See you next meeting.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good night.
Bye. Thank you.